troubleshoot a sodium light fixture that won't light, follow these steps. Firstly, check the voltage. Ensure that 208 volts is present at the relay in the control room. Verify that 277 volts is present at the socket at the post. Secondly, inspect the bulb. Examine the bulb for any cracks, breaks, or loose connections. Ensure that the bulb is correctly seated in the socket. Thirdly, test the ballast or capacitor. To test the ballast, measure the resistance across the ballast terminals. A high reading, indicating infinity, suggests a blown ballast. To test the capacitor, discharge the capacitor by shorting its terminals with an insulated tool. Measure the capacitance using a multimeter. A low reading or no reading indicates a faulty capacitor. Fourthly, check the wiring. Inspect the wiring from the socket to the ballast and from the ballast to the power source. Look for any loose connections, frayed wires, or breaks. Fifthly, check the photocell if applicable. If the light is equipped with a photocell, ensure that it is functioning properly. Replace the photocell if necessary. Now, for diagnosis and resolution, based on the troubleshooting results, consider the following possibilities. If the bulb is damaged or has loose connections, replace the bulb. If the ballast is blown, replace the ballast. If the capacitor is faulty, replace the capacitor. Repair or replace any faulty wiring. Replace the photocell if it is defective. Here are some additional tips. Use a voltage meter to measure voltages at various points in the circuit. Disconnect and reconnect electrical connections to ensure proper contact. Refer to the manufacturer's specifications for bulb and ballast or capacitor compatibility. If troubleshooting does not resolve the issue, consider seeking professional assistance from an electrician. Remember safety first. Always disconnect power before working on electrical equipment. Use insulated tools and wear appropriate personal protective equipment.